Hello, grade 9 math class. This is Miss Johnston. I am going to be your grade 9 math teacher for this coming quadmester. All right, so just a couple of things for today on our snow day. I actually have three things I'd like you to do today. And the first thing is to go and download our Brightspace Pulse app and Teams app. So the Teams app looks like a little bit this symbol, and then this Virtual Commons is actually the Brightspace Pulse app. So you can download that app and get all of these different functions. So within our D2L or Brightspace Pulse app, you will have access to our class team, the OneNote, Desmos, some Desmos calculators up on the nav bar. And you can click the little waffle here in order to select your courses too if you don't already know that. All right, so that's your first thing today is to download those two apps, the Teams app and the Brightspace Pulse app, so that you have them on your device. And if you don't already, grab that OneNote app. That's a great way to get all of our course notes. All right, so your second thing today is to go to student.desmos.com. And we have a get to know you activity I'd love for you to do. This is the code. You might have to create a username and password. It's really easy. Just use a Gmail email or your school email, and it's like literally 2 seconds to create. Create a code or create a username and password, and then from there enter into this and fill it in as much as possible. If there's one question you don't understand, you're more than welcome to skip it, but I'd love to get to know you, so fill it in as much as possible. You'll see that the next button is in the top right hand corner, so just hit next when you're done one question, and then you can move on to the next ones. There's about 11 questions. So that's the second thing I'd like you to do. So first thing, download a couple of those apps. Next thing, definitely go to student.desmos.com, type in this code, put your first name and your last name so that I get to know you. The last thing that I'm going to be posting on our D2L page is a prerequisite skill of grade 9 math. So there are some questions I'd like you to check out. A question like this, there's a couple of which one doesn't belong. So here you'd have to calculate what is 2 to the power 4, what is 4 to the power 2, what is 2 times 4, and what is 16 to the power 1, and which one doesn't belong here. So that's kind of how those types of questions go. These types of questions would be using digits 1 through 9, only ones each. Create as many true equations as you can as possible. And this would be like your base and your exponent. So there's some exponent questions here, some order of operations. Again, which one doesn't belong? Calculate the answers. See which one doesn't give you the right answer. Also like filling in the boxes. So this would be using your BEDMAS. So what is 8 minus 5? Put the answer in and then move down, putting your numbers through. Also looking at adding and subtracting integers. Again, which one doesn't belong? Multiplying and dividing integers and some fraction, all questions. All right. So that's it for today. So get those three things down. So that's download those apps. If you can download that OneNote app, that would be really great to have. And also to, the second thing is to go to student.desmos.com and type in this code. Also, if you didn't already know, you're always more than welcome to click pause on any of our videos so that you can gain access to writing down these codes. And then lastly is to do the prerequisite skills. If you have any questions, send me an email at ireljenn@alcdsb.on.ca. Okay, have a good day.